Hi all, a little late tonight. It's actually 27 minutes past midnight on the 17th, so my 16th vlog is actually a little late, but I've been busy. So I've got the jumper finished. I haven't got the Santa hat finished because putting up the Christmas decoration took a lot longer than possible. I intended, but the jumper's done, so turn it around. I can show you this. There we go, so the sleeve's done, so it's now fully done and finished. And it's there. So I'm quite happy with it. So it's all done and dusted. And so I can get on with the Santa hat in a minute. When I go up to bed, I'll just sit up in bed and finish that. So I'll have that for tomorrow, and maybe even start that top. But I'll have some footage I'll add on to the end of this of the Christmas decks going up. We had a little bit of fun there. The lights we originally put on had stopped working, so we had to take them off and get some new lights, so that held it up. And then when my husband got back with the lights, they decided they were hungry and they were going to have lunch, so they took a break from decorating to have lunch, and then we got the decorating done. So it took a lot longer than planned, and so it took me a while more to get this finished. Usually I'm in a slightly different angle because in order to fit the tree in, I had to move the sofas. But yeah, so there's nothing else to show you other than the jumper, but I'm glad it's done and hopefully my nan will like it. And I can get on with finishing the Santa hat tonight and have that ready for tomorrow. So I think that's it for the minute, and I'll add the footage on of the tree decorating at the end of this, sped up obviously. You don't want to sit through several hours worth of decorating. I'm going to be trying out a new editor because my iPad keeps getting full up from these videos, so I needed to find something to do it on my desktop, and so I found this free editor, OpenShot. So I'm going to give that a go and see how it works. So this may or may not work. We'll wait and see. So until I don't know, tomorrow at some point, well no, today later at some point, when I do my next video, I'll see you all soon. So happy crafting, bye!